My name is Nico Troiano. I'm the freight manager at Maintrans in Langenselbold. We are an international transport company and perform national and international LTL and partial load transports. Efficient and transparent logistics are important for us at Maintrans. Our clients expect the highest possible transparency in the logistics chain from us, so that we can provide clear information at any time about where the cargo is situated, or if the agreed upon delivery or pickup appointments are being strictly adhered to. Using VDO Fleet along with the new VDO Link, we can guarantee this and have digitalized many other processes in our company. The VDO Fleet platform, in conjunction with the VDO Link, allows us uncomplicated management of all relevant drivers and vehicles. This includes live position data, remaining driving time, and much more. And all this is also mobile via the VDO Fleet app. But how does all this data, especially that from our subcontractors, reliably get into our system? The VDO Link is the first true plug-and-play telematics unit. Just plug it onto the tachograph and all relevant data transfers automatically and securely. A real innovation in the telematics and freight management market. 1/3 of our transports are done by subcontractors. Thanks to the VDO Link, we can seamlessly integrate these partners into our digital supply chain. This creates transparency for us and our customers, closes data gaps, and automates complex modern processes. The simple handling above all convinced us. No installation costs, just plug and play and flexibly transferable from vehicle to vehicle. At the same time, data transmission is secure and GDPR compliant so that we can pass on sensitive information that is protected at all times. More and more customers use digital platforms like Transporium, Project 44 or CH Robinson. But seamless integration is also crucial within the Elvis Group, in which we at Maintrans are also active in. The VDO Link helps us integrate our regular subcontractors and temporary partners through its universal use. Example, time slot management. Passing on data to enable optimal planning for our customers is only possible for us with real-time data and precise vehicle scheduling. This leads to the reduction of waiting times, higher efficiency, and more safety in the process. Previously, we could only enable this for our subcontractors with a lot of manual effort and much back and forth calling. With the VDO Link, this data is available in real time. For Maintrans, the VDO Link is more than just a tool. It is the basis for future-oriented, efficient, and transparent logistics and helps us successfully master the challenges of the modern transport world.